channel after a very long time. So today I'm going to unbox a power bank from MI. So this is my new power bank which I have bought recently from Amazon. I have already done the unboxing and all, but again, for the sake of unboxing, I repacked it all again. So let's open the packaging. Okay, now this is the power bank. Okay, yeah, this is the power bank. This is an MI power bank, which is a very value for money. So the power bank, the model, I'll tell everything in this video. And how was my experience so far? What's my experience by using this power bank? So to begin with, this is a power bank from MI. It has MI Power Bank Boost Pro. So this is the Pro version, boost 30,000 mAh with 18 watt fast charging. Means 18 watt fast charging for recharging this power bank, and power delivery 3.0 and triple port output. So you have this triple port output and 24 watt ultra fast charging. So for lower end phones, this is a very good power bank which can charge at the rate of 24 watt. So my this phone has 30 watts, so it's not satisfactory, but it will do the work. It's good enough for that. And all these things, input output and power and everything, net quantity, and the price is 5,000. It's written here, but again in Amazon it's coming for discount around 3,200 something. So discount is very good from Amazon. And dimension is, you can check all this thing, and imported from China. So this is made in China. MI is a very good brand in giving value for money products. I've used many of their products, and so okay, later I'll tell this. So when you are unboxing this power bank, you have to cut this seal. So there will be a seal, so always be aware that you see that the seal is intact. Since I already unboxed this, I have opened the seal, so you have to be careful that the seal is there, otherwise you might be getting an old product or a used one. Okay, let's open the box. So what we get, let's see what we get inside the box. Okay, this is the manual. You can read everything, how to charge, how to function this MI power bank. I've read it already. This is the manual from MI for MI power bank, and you get one USB for charging. You won't get the socket, the adapter. You have to use your phone adapter for charging, but it's not necessary that you use this cable. You can use the cable of your phone, USB of your phone, to charge the power bank with USB 3. USB 3 works good, and this one is the classic USB. This will also do the work, but I guess the USB 3, the latest one which we all are using nowadays, is the fastest. So let's have a clear look. Okay, this is the power bank with MI logo, and here is a button to check the power reserve and also to do some other, to turn into some other modes. And you have charging ports. These two ports are for charging your power bank, and these two are for output to charge your phones and other things like earphones and what you call it one on your watch, smartwatch and all. So it is 30,000 mAh. You get another 30,000 mAh, but with that one you get only 18 watt fast charging, but this one is 24 watt fast charging, so there is a difference of around 1000. Okay, and let's check other facilities in this power bank. So this power bank weighs around, I guess weighs around 1 kg or 800 gram. It's heavy, but not that heavy, but it's heavy. So to check the this, what you call the level of battery in the power bank, you have to press this once. So you can see the power bank is full. So all the four these lights are blinking. So that means the power bank is fully charged. It's running on 100% currently. So it's fully charged. So, and again, after using this, I'll have to tell one thing. It takes very long to full charge. It took me around 12 hours. Yeah, 12 hours to full charge this power bank. So you have to be aware that to fully charge this power bank it takes around 12 hours. So it's better to keep this power bank fully charged all the time, because you don't know when you might get this emergency situation to carry this power bank. So it's always a good idea to keep this power bank fully charged. So far I think for 30,000 mAh power bank with 18 watt fast charging for input fast charging for the power bank, and 24 power watt for the output to charge your phone, it's a good price. And one more thing, after this, after opening the seal, you have to scratch this thing. I haven't scratched this till now. You have to scratch this seal, and after scratching the seal you will get some codes, and after getting those codes you have to log in to this MI website, and you have to enter this code to verify that the product is genuine, and for some other warranty claims and all. So you have to scratch this thing also. This you have to scratch this seal and get the code. So this was all for the unboxing of this power bank. So I'll leave the link in the description for where you can buy from Amazon this power bank from Amazon for around 3,200 something. So for me it is a good power bank for emergency situation. So I don't know about the weight, how anyone can feel with this weight, but for me I feel the weight is around 800 grams to a kg, but I'm not sure. So that's all for this video. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.